Hi, I'm Luann Weeks. I'm working on a large community mosaic project, and I've printed a pattern that's 4 feet tall and 4 feet wide to work over. Now, there are two problems that this size causes. One, it's difficult and risky to install this size at one time. And two, as a community project, many people are going to be working on it at once. So I'd like to share with you my process for sectioning large patterns. So I'm looking for the best way to section him so that when he is reassembled on site, you don't end up with those ugly seams running through the mosaic. And keep in mind that sectioning in squares is more likely to create a visible seam. Well, in this case, the design lets me follow a circular path for my cuts, which will make it easy to fit the sections seamlessly back together. So I'm going to cut on this circle and then others, but first I'm going to cut away all the excess paper and then I'll cut my sections. Okay, I have numbered and labeled them on the back so that I can be sure and reassemble them correctly when I install. Here's my sections that I have cut out. And now my group's going to cut some quick stick mosaic mesh, lay it over each piece, and then they'll cut it out for the size of the section and then begin to lay their tiles. Well, I better head over to the project. Thanks for watching.